Alright, so same day again. I was just talking about the current. And look at that. So I'm coming up now to a major current line. And that is a major tree trunk log thing. There, sticking its head up. There's another one over there, but look at that Sargassum. Right on the edge of the line. So I'm going to pause it now. I've got to go through the shit. Stand by. Okay, so I'm coming up to it now, and I've got... I wish you got no choice. I've got to get onto the other side of it, so I hope I don't get stuck in it. But there goes the current line. And it's collected all the sargassum. There's a huge tree over there, just branches sticking up. I'm not going to be able to see it on this thing. Alright, pause again. Yeah, I'm just starting to go in it now. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, we're in the line. I can't really see what's thick and what isn't thick. There's a very thick patch over there. But this is maybe... check it out on this side here. Alright, pause. We'll start it up again. Check here. Plastic now. Lots of plastic. Well, I'm still moving. It hasn't got tentacles. So now it's all over. There, you can just see the other side of it. Well, still moving. Pause again. I just want to see what happened here. I dropped this phone. Oh. Doesn't bunch up or anything, we're just kind of like sliding through it. Oh. Pause again. So we're making quite a nice path through here, Jimmy. So again, it's collected a little bit, but not much at all. We've got some fishes following there. They've been here for a while. Yeah, look at it. Okay. Okay, so I don't know, this is maybe 1, 2, 3, 400 meters wide. And coming up to the end of it, slowed down a lot now. Just sort of trickling along, but the wind is also very light. But clear line at the end. Don't know what this is doing. Yeah, so it's getting a bit thick, yeah, but almost at the end. So there's clear water. There's a distinct line. It's a definite current line, and I'm hoping that it's the. Yo, there's a long piece of bamboo or something there. Some drums. There's a bit of plastic here, but it's not crazy. Although this is 300 miles offshore. Well, very thick now, but but still moving. Only just moving. Only just moving, but there's the end. Or the clear water. It's clear on that side. There's a nice piece of Madeira, is it? I think it's Madeira. Big plank. Pow, pow. One of them. Yeah. Hey, well, I'm stoked I saw this during the day. Would have just gone through here. I wouldn't even notice it if it was night time. Really lekker. Clearing up a little bit. There's some fish. I haven't seen much fish, but they'll be on the edges. Oh, big piece of wood over there, big tree trunk.